bells jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey!
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Charlie, Eagle Landing 7 TV. Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share in this video. Alright guys, it's Christmas time. Shout out to all my subscribers. Big shout out to all my in Miami, in Fort Lauderdale, you know, in New York City, hey, in Canada, in Haiti. Let's go.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Well, big shout out to all my friends in Jamaica. Hey, let's go.
One-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is.
Alright guys, Christmas time, so friends. Hey, I'm gonna wish them Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas to you. Feliz Navidad. Joyeux Noël. Our friends are here today. We're gonna wish them Merry Christmas. So, guys, Christmas time. It's a family time. Like Eagle Landing 7 TV family, you know. Let's make it happen. Okay? So, we're gonna list paquet moun la jodi la. Nous pourrons souhaiter joyeux Noël. Nous avons pile moun k'ap koute nou Haiti, moun k'ap koute nou Jamaica, you know, k'ap koute nou New York, k'ap koute nou la Fort Lauderdale, k'ap koute nou Miami, k'ap koute nou pile kote, k'ap gade nou. So, guys, joyeux Noël, Feliz Navidad, Merry Christmas. Mowi Carmel, Merry Christmas, baby, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Happy New Year already, because the year it's gone. It's already gone. Alright, so guys, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Alright, my buddy Don Alex. Hey buddy, what's going on? Don Alex, Christmas buddy, Feliz Navidad, Joyeux Noël. So let's play the music for them. Merry Christmas to all my shows in Miami, in Fort Lauderdale, in Jamaica, in New York City.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun.
Feliz Navidad a todos los amigos de Santo Domingo, Peru, Mexico. Colombia. Feliz Navidad a todos los amigos en Cuba, Camagüey. Feliz Navidad. Merry Christmas. Joyeux Noël. À tous nos frères et sœurs qui nous écoutent du côté d'Haïti, du côté du Canada, partout à travers le monde. Ici votre animateur de tout le temps et tout le lieu, Charlie. Alright. Christmas time, it's a family time. Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad, Joyeux Noël, Happy New Year. I'm gonna play music right now. It's a Haitian music, like a, you know, it's an old song, you know. Yeah, so it's a all Christmas song. Son ancien musique Noël. Pour d'être petit Pierre. la joie, c'est la gaieté. It's Christmas time, guys. You know, it's a family time. Merry Christmas to you guys. Merry Christmas to all my subscribers. Feliz Navidad to all my friends. To everybody. Joyeux Noël à tout le monde. Feliz Navidad a todos los amigos de Cuba, todos los amigos de Colombia, de Peru, de México. Hey, Feliz Navidad a todos mis amigos. Joyeux Noël à tout le monde. Merry Christmas, guys. Hey, this is your friend Charlie. Eagle Landing 70s, the best in town. Let's do it. Well, big shout out to all my souls in Miami. Hey, hey, what not at all? New York City. Hey. Merry Christmas to a special friend in DC, Washington DC. Alright guys, alright. Cooper Palmer, Mr. Cooper Palmer, Merry Christmas to you, buddy. Merry Christmas to you and your family. And Happy New Year. Eagle Landing 70 is the best in town. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it, guys. Feliz Navidad a todos los amigos. Joyeux Noël à tout le monde. Hey!
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Merry Christmas to you guys.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all
It's Christmas
the way.
time.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Merry Christmas to Jean-Baptiste. Merry Christmas to Marjorie Michel. Merry Christmas to Carlin Bado. Feliz Navidad to Maria Gonzalez. Maria Gonzalez. Feliz Navidad to Alfa Tavares. Santo Domingo, la República Dominicana. Hey. Santiago de los Caballeros.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse.
Alright guys, alright, guys, take care. This is the time, and thank you so much once again for your support. To all my fans, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share. If you are new to my channel, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. God bless you guys. God bless you. Okay. Well, and see you guys in the next video. One love, Charlie, Ego Learning 7 TV, the best in town. Hey.
Stay with us on EL7 TV, where every moment comes alive.